What's up, y'all? We're back working on the 2.5 engine here, trying to get the head off again. I got the space heater on, so sorry if it's a little loud and I might be yelling, but I don't really know. Hopefully the audio sounds good. I do have it turned up a little bit, but it is indeed a T55. It is not a star, so I was close in my guesstimation of saying it'd be a star or a T. It was indeed a T. So let's go ahead and get to tearing this apart. Use your hands, be a man. Alright, so we got all the head bolts out, and this is a piece of shit and won't come out with my air tools. So maybe it's just my air gun is just a piece of shit and is not able to do things fast enough. I don't know what it hits, it doesn't say. Eric's here, we got the Milwaukee, we're gonna try this now. Let's go! God damn it! Fuck this piece of shit. Yeah, I'm stressed. I can go get my $80 back. Look it. It worked, but not by myself, okay? Look it, I had this back here, this, held against this, so it couldn't spin. Holding this like this, and then push it.
Now you know why I told you that's the best tool I've ever bought.
Yeah, no, that's so worth it. Holy shit.
It's best for lug nuts.
Alright, finally, after 3 weeks of terror, we got this hoe bag head off. Yo, actually, I gotta be careful. YouTube's new swearing policies kicked in, which ain't a big deal. I've been trying to cut back on the swears anyways, but none of my stuff's even monetized, so it don't really matter in that aspect. But I think even then, the algorithm won't promote. So you gotta, the first like 10 seconds of the video you can't swear or something, and then on top of that, the more you swear, oh yeah, like, oh god, oh god, okay. Oh, look at all of that, disgust.
Maybe you wipe it on.
We don't want it to fall into here, do we?
You'll be alright. That's cool and fast, let's just try not to get it in there.
That's what I'm saying, I don't want to, no, whatever. We're gonna flip the head, we're gonna flip this engine over.
We can flush it out, dude. Shit.
My bad, now I can make progress.
It's a smooth engine. And it's got domed pistons already. Those are good for boost.
Holy shit, I appreciate you. Alright, so thanks to Eric, we were able to get the harmonic balancer bolt off and get the harmonic balancer off and get the timing cover off and the head off. So now we need to take this little oil filter here off, and we need to take the oil pan off. And yeah, so I guess let's do that. It's probably gonna drain some oil. Yes, exactly what we wanted to have happen. So now my other thing is flip it. There might be some coolant that comes out. It appears there is coolant up in here, so we'll find out in a minute, and then we'll just come on. This is good enough for me, actually. I can get in there and do what is needed. Yeah, I guess we do the full flip at this point. Oh, yeah. Juicy. God, that smells like ass. That was a little bit easier. Cool. We need the oil pan from my 2-3, which is back in that room. We need the head from the 2-3, which is in the crate over there. And then we need to order the gaskets. We need to likely get, the cylinder walls look fine, but this looks concerning. Right there. What's going on with fucking that? That doesn't look good at all. Unless it was like that from the factory. But that don't look like it's from the factory. I mean, it's smooth. It doesn't seem to hit anything. Hey. Well, I guess on that note, that'll probably be the end of the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe. I gotta figure out what's going on with that now. We got another fucking thing on our hands, don't we? Woohoo! Alright, so I talked to one of the homies, and they were saying that it could just be balancing marks or scratches or something like that along those lines, so I don't know. I mean, at this point, it rotates fine. I don't necessarily see an issue with it, but if y'all have any ideas, thoughts, or whatever, put them in the comments. I'd like to know. And yeah, peace.